Why do some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others struggle no matter how hard they work? Is it luck? Special opportunities? A rich background? No. The truth is, wealthy people think differently, and they use a secret most people ignore. Your subconscious mind is either programmed for wealth or for struggle. And today, you'll learn how to rewire your mind for financial success, just like the richest people in the world do. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to reprogram your subconscious for money, success, and abundance. Let's begin. How your mind is secretly controlling your wealth. Your money blueprint, the hidden code in your mind. Every person has a financial blueprint stored in their subconscious. It's created by childhood experiences, beliefs, and past failures. If you were taught that money is hard to get, your subconscious will make sure you always struggle financially. Solution? Identify negative beliefs like rich people are greedy or money is evil. Replace them with wealth-attracting beliefs like money is a tool for freedom and I deserve financial success. 2. The law of wealth attraction. Why you get what you expect. Your subconscious doesn't care about what you want. It responds to what you expect. If you constantly worry about bills, debt, and failure, your mind reinforces those struggles. The rich expect wealth, and their subconscious creates opportunities for them. Solution. Train your mind with abundance affirmations. Money flows to me effortlessly. I always find new opportunities to grow wealth. Use visualization. Picture yourself already successful, living your dream life. 3. Rewiring your mind for automatic success. Just like a muscle, your mind can be trained to attract success. Science shows that daily repetition of positive thoughts reprograms your subconscious. Solution 1. Nighttime reprogramming. Before bed, repeat, I am financially free. My subconscious attracts wealth effortlessly. Why? Your subconscious is most active before sleep. 1. The success environment trick. Surround yourself with books, videos, and people who inspire wealth. Why? Your subconscious absorbs everything around you. 1. Take small actions daily. Even small financial habits like saving a little money daily reprogram your mind to expect abundance. Call to action, like and subscribe for more. Now you know the secret, wealth starts in the mind. In the next episode, we'll dive even deeper, learning how to remove self-doubt and fear so you can unlock your full potential. So hit like and subscribe to Wealth Unlocked.